Pranam. As I had promised, I will be telling you about the inverted postures. The first in this is called the Vipreet Karni Mudra. Vipreet. Generally, we are walking head up. This is how I am sitting. So this will be, my head will be coming down, body will be going up. So we'll start with a few pre-practices. I will be sitting very close to my cupboard, taking the support, and then my feet come up. So this is first pre-practice. Stay in this for about 10 to 20 seconds. Second pre-practice. Third pre-practice. Fourth pre-practice. And fifth pre-practice. So your hamstrings, your glutes are balanced, calf muscles have been worked on, and just give a little stretch to your spine to make it flexible. This is called Sukh Udarakarshan, where my spine is getting stretched. Other side. And now I am ready for the Vipreet Karni Mudra. So this is also, I am using my cupboard as a prop, and this is a safer way to do it. I will be gliding my feet and then lifting my hip. Now I will be supporting my hips with my palms, and my armpits are being pressed upon. Then this foot goes up, and this is what is Vipreet Karni. In this position, this is like Padadhira. The armpits, the pressure on the armpits is making my breath in both the nostrils balanced. My Ida and Pingala are being balanced in this way. I am relaxed in this posture. I am breathing normally, balanced way, and the circulation to my brain is increased because I am in this inverted posture. And very important point is my chin is not touching my chest. In Vipreet Karni, the chin has not to touch the chest. So I'll be staying in this position for as long as I'm comfortable. So you should not exceed 3 minutes, very important. So now Yatha Shakti, I will gradually come down, take the support, be in this position. Just settle down. Give my spine a small stretch again. Small stretch, and taking support of the wall, I will get up, and ideally I should be doing a Bhujangasana as a counter pose. So let me just show you Bhujangasana also. I lie down, align myself, inhale, come up, relax in this posture, breathing normally, and exhale, come down. To do a variation, shift my arms. I'm breathing normally in this posture. I'm relaxed. And exhale, come down. Realign myself. Utkarasana. You can do it for 1 or 2 minutes till you are feeling relaxed, and then very gradually taking the support of your mat or mattress, you can get up. So this is in yoga, this is called the anti-aging asana. It's anti-fragility. I have shared a video. Please watch that to understand the concept of inverted postures. And generally speaking, what is happening is that the blood circulation to my face is increasing. I'll be getting lesser wrinkles. It's like what a plastic surgeon would do with those abrasions, or you go to a beauty parlor and you get those massages done. And plus, flexibility is an indicator of youth. No? Your body is becoming flexible, you feel youthful, your face is looking nicely red, and so it's a happy posture, anti-aging, anti-fragility. So please do it and enjoy yourself. Pranam.